moment, but I always need components or opponents that they hit you just to get you to your moment. You gon' sacrifice it all to be an artist, better know it's politics and drama. This is just the part they never told it. Like it is or like it was, how you ain't shit without a buzz. This far from making it big, this far from giving it up. But every time I change a life, I know this is bigger than us. Long as one person spin it, I promise you I'm winning. I can't quit, can't quit, can't quit.
Honk your horn. There isn't one.
Never give up on your goals, especially when you get them no's. That's the difference between us. You gon' stop and I'ma go and I'ma pop and I'ma blow and thank God at every show because consistency is key. That's what opens every door. And if I miss a bet, I shoot until I hit 10 in a row. Take the risk of looking stupid, bet you I even the scope. If I got it, bet I use it, man. This music is my movement. Long as one person feel it, I promise you I'm winning. I can't quit.
I can't say